Changing the sponge roller on this Libman Nitty Gritty roller mop may not be apparent at first, but it's actually quite simple to do. As you know, to wring it out, I'll just pull the handle towards me. But to release the sponge roller, I actually need to push the action lever forwards towards the brush. Now I can just take the old sponge out. And replacing it is just as easy. Find the metal hook between the rollers, then slide on the replacement sponge. To finish up, I'll just pull the lever towards me until it snaps in. Now, my Libman roller mop is ready for action again. Replacement sponges are very common, and I'll list it in the description so it's easy for you to find. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my DIY videos.